When it comes to liver damage, most people expect obvious warning signs, severe pain, swelling, or discomfort. But here's the twist. The liver often gives us subtle clues long before the big problems arise. Could your liver be silently signaling you right now? So let's take a look at 12 unexpected signs that could indicate your liver is in trouble and why they're often overlooked. Number 12. One of the most commonly ignored warning signs of liver damage is pale fecal matter. We don't often give much thought to our fecal matter, but today, it's impossible to ignore. Some of you may know that our liver plays a key role in giving stool its normal brown color, thanks to bile, a substance it produces to help with digestion. When the liver is damaged, it may not be able to produce enough bile, leaving your stool looking lighter than usual. So look out for this warning sign from your body. Number 11. While poor night vision is often connected with eye problems or diabetes, it is also a common symptom of liver damage as well. This poor vision occurs due to retinol or vitamin A deficiency. When your liver is damaged, it struggles to process vitamin A, a vital nutrient that helps you see in low light. As a result, your night vision begins to suffer, making those night drives harder. So if you're squinting your eyes after the sun goes down, then it might not be a bad idea to get your liver health tested. Number 10. Have you ever noticed your foot swelling up for no apparent reason? It may seem like a minor issue, but what if it's a hidden warning sign? When your liver isn't working properly, it can't process proteins and fluids the way it should. This leads to fluid buildup, especially in your lower body, with the right foot often being the first to show signs. So that swollen foot you've been ignoring might not be as insignificant as it seems. It could be your liver asking for attention. Could this be the clue you've been missing? Number 9. Another sign of liver disease is white eyelid growth. These yellowish eyelid growths are actually small deposits of cholesterol that build up on our skin. This is because our liver is not breaking down cholesterol properly due to poor liver health or damage. This yellowish deposit, known as xanthelasma, starts to appear on your eyelids and other parts of the body when the liver is not performing its job of breaking down cholesterol. While they may seem harmless, they're often a clue that your liver needs some attention. Number 8. Our next subtle sign is an odd pressure on the right side of your abdomen or rib cage. This pain usually occurs right after you eat. But the real question is, what does this pain or pressure indicate? Our liver produces a fluid called bile, which is responsible for digesting fats and eliminating waste from our body. When our liver starts struggling, this bile will turn to sludge, leading to swelling and enlargement, pressing against nearby organs and tissues. And that is when we start experiencing abdomen pain. It's your body's subtle way of telling you that your liver may need a checkup. Number 7. When the liver isn't functioning properly, it can affect your body's ability to clot, causing tiny blood vessels under your skin to break. The result? Small purple or red spots scattered across your body, mysterious marks that seem to appear out of nowhere, almost like they have a secret to tell. Ever wonder what's really causing them? These spots, known as petechiae, might be a subtle yet powerful clue that your liver is struggling, and ignoring them could mean missing a vital warning, one that could help prevent bigger health issues down the road. Number 6. Next time you slip on your favorite shoes and spot cracked heels, don't brush it off as just a dry skin issue. What if these cracks are trying to tell you something bigger? Your body relies on vitamin B3 to keep your skin smooth and healthy, but when your liver is damaged, it diverts this vital nutrient to repair itself instead. The result? Your skin, including your heels, suffers from a lack of nutrients, leading to cracks. Could your cracked heels be a sign that your liver is asking for help? What's your body trying to reveal to you? Number 5. Have you ever felt a sudden, relentless itch on your hands and legs out of nowhere? It's not just an ordinary irritation. It could be your liver sending a warning signal. When your liver is struggling to filter bile salts properly, these salts accumulate in your bloodstream. This buildup triggers a cascade of histamine production, leading to those bothersome itchy sensations. It's your body's way of saying, something's off. So before you reach for that scratch, take a moment to check on your liver. It might be trying to tell you it needs some care and attention. Number 4. This next sign of liver damage is very common but often ignored, and that is white or clubbed nails. If you ever see your nails to be strangely rounded, almost like they're clubbed at the tips, and also look paler than usual, then it is time to visit a doctor. This could be a sign of liver damage. When the liver is struggling, it can lead to poor circulation and low oxygen levels in the blood, which affects the growth of your nails. This results in clubbed, white nails that signal something deeper is going on inside. Number 3. Your urine color is one of the best ways to determine your kidney health. But here's the twist. What else could your urine color be telling you about your health? If your urine is much darker than usual, almost like dark orange or even brownish, it may not be only because you are drinking less water, but also an indicator of poor liver functioning and health. Now, you may be wondering how our urine turns into this dark orange color. When our liver struggles to process and filter waste, it leads to the buildup of bilirubin. This is a yellow pigment from broken down red blood cells, and this excess buildup of bilirubin ends up in your urine, turning it that dark color. On another note, if you ever encounter this, then it is advisable to visit a doctor. Number 2. As we mentioned above, excess bilirubin leads to dark urine, but there is more. Our liver cannot filter out bilirubin when it is damaged, so what happens? It leads to the excess buildup of bilirubin, and this excess buildup will not only change the color of your urine, but also your skin. Our skin turns yellow, which is a sign of jaundice, indicating that there is some serious liver damage. If this happens, it's your liver trying to tell you it needs urgent medical care. Number 1. Finally, at number 1, we have spider veins. These look like small red dots with spider-like extensions of blood vessels that appear on the skin. Although these spider veins, or spider angiomas, are not painful, they are definitely visible. These appear because our liver is not doing its job of filtering out excess estrogen and toxins. As a result, our estrogen levels rise, which weakens the veins and blood vessels, causing them to dilate. And that wraps up our look at the 12 weird signs that could indicate liver damage, from unusual symptoms to the science behind them.